Hello everyone! Today we're going for a short hike with an amazing view of Stanley. So this is Wilson Trail Section 1. So we're gonna start at Wilson Trail Stanley Gap Road. So from Central Exchange Square, take bus 6 and alight at Wilson Trail Stanley Gap Road. After you alight from the bus, you retrace your step back until you arrive at the starting point of Wilson Trail. So this is our starting point. So brace yourself because you gotta climb steps all the way up. And don't forget to bring a lot of water, especially when the weather is so hot, to avoid being dehydrated. So let's go! So this is it. I didn't finish the trail because it's very steep, and I just want to see the view of the Stanley. So I stopped from here. So as you can see here the amazing view of Stanley already. So after that, I take some photos, take videos, and then I just retrace my step back. But if you want, you can continue. And you're gonna end up at, I think, where will you end up? Because you have a lot of choice if you want to continue, and there's always a signage telling you where you want to end. But I'm not sure because I didn't finish the trail. So that's it. So I enjoyed this hike because I went here around 4 p.m. and it's kind of windy at the time, so it's very fun and it's not so hot. So this is my Wilson Trail adventure for today. So thank you for watching. God bless you all, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not yet my subscriber. Bye!